Standard 4th EVS 2 Baji Prabhu and the memorable Battle of Ghodkhind. Baji Prabhu the Brave. The angry troops of Siddhi were fast galloping towards the Ghodkhind pass. Shivaji saw that it was impossible to reach Vishalgarh before the enemy overtook them. He decided to turn back and face the enemy. The life of Shivaji had therefore Swaraj was in danger. Baji Prabhu told Shivaji to proceed to Vishalgarh with handful of soldiers while he shall defend the pass and will not let the enemy cross it. He said, "We shall not let him advance till we know that you have reached Vishalgarh safely." Shivaji fondly embraced Baji and moved ahead towards Vishalgarh. The gunfire will be the signal of our safe arrival. Baji's defense of Ghodkhind Pass. Shivaji left for Vishalgarh, leaving Baji Prabhu to defend the pass. He took a sword in his hand and stood at the entrance of the pass. He divided his company of soldiers into small groups and posted them at suitable points. The Maulas took their position and collected huge boulders and stones to be used as weapons. Baji Prabhu and his Maulas stood at the mouth of the pass, firm and fearless, awaiting the enemy. At the other end, Shivaji was speeding towards Vishalgarh. The Battle of Ghodkhind. Now the enemy was at the mouth of the pass where a fierce battle was in progress. Baji Prabhu urged his troops into attack. The Maratha war cry Har Har Mahadev echoed through the hills, and the brave Maulas cut down the enemy troops in the fierce and desperate attack. Shivaji was by now almost at the foot of Vishalgarh. Vishalgarh was also besieged by the enemy. Shivaji fought against them and reached safely. Baji the Brave. Baji Prabhu fought with great courage, and he was surrounded by the enemies. Disheartened by the fearful attack, the enemy again withdrew. Baji was fatally wounded. He was hanging on to life just to hear the sound of gunfire from Vishalgarh. Ghodkhind becomes Pavankin. At the sound of gunfire from Vishalgarh, Maharaj has reached Vishalgarh. I have done my duty. Now I can die in peace. Saying this, Baji breathed last on this historic battlefield. Shivaji was greatly grieved when he heard this news. He exclaimed, Baji Prabhu Deshpande laid down his life on the battlefield in the cause of Swaraj. Ghodkhind becomes immortal in history as Pavankind. Thank you.